Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back today with another video, and today's video is unboxing new inventory. As you can see here, I have my new first collection of my eyeshadow palettes. They are down here, and as you can see here, these are how my eyeshadow palettes will look front with my brand name, Aiyoki Cosmetics. Yes, this is an awesome feeling. I worked in this line for almost 2 years, and here's the first look of our first collection of our eyeshadow palettes. And I'm gonna show you guys how you open it. So that's the packaging. This is how the eyeshadow palette will look. And here are the colors that is currently for the eyeshadow palettes, and this is a fall type of color, as you can see here. So it will come like that. Let me fix it. Come like this package, and what you'll do is you'll just slide it back inside the slip to put it back inside the packaging that it came from. On the back, as you can see here, is the list of the ingredients. As you can see, all of my stuff is vegan, and as you can see, it's extra clean, cruelty free, and paraben free. Everything is good for the skin. And I'm about to show you all the palettes. I know some of y'all like to see everything, but this is how all of my palettes come. And what I'm doing, I'm just unraveling it, because I got a lot of these, as you can see. And these are all my black ones. All my blacks have the same color. So these are all the black ones, as you can see here. Now I have my orange ones, and this is how my orange ones. These are the sample palettes that I had pretty much launched earlier of last month. So all of those palettes is now done, pretty much out of production. And let me show you all how those colors are inside the orange palette. And as you can see here, it's the same color I had in my samples. There you have it. New eyeshadow palettes are now in stock. As you can see, I am fully stocked of all my eyeshadows. And like I said, these are now available in stock. And let's get it. So as y'all see here, these are the orange ones. And these are the other ones that's currently the same color, but I'm not gonna open those. I'm just gonna pretty much put those to the side and just keep the ones I have out. These are the ones I'm gonna focus on selling, which are these. I have my own palette pretty much listed as a sample, so I would not have to worry about taking my product out and sampling these. These are strictly for my beauty boxes. And the beauty boxes, mystery box, will come with eyeshadow. As you can see here, I'm working on getting some makeup brushes and some eyeshadow tools. But for now, I just got my palettes, and this is what comes with the palette. Just these casing right here, and the black ones. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys like what you see on my new eyeshadow packaging from Aiyoki Cosmetics. As you can see here, I am fully stocked of all cosmetic products. I have eyeshadow, I have lip gloss, I have pretty much mascara, and I also have lashes. So these are now available in store. I'm going to get my website fully together. I'm pretty excited about that. So let me show y'all also one more thing. I have now some new mascaras, as you can see here. These just also came in last week. So I now have a full line of products. And like I said, I pretty much have eyeshadow palette, mascara, eyelash extensions, lipstick, lip gloss, and pretty much I do have some liquid color eyeliner too. So you name it, I have it all. And let me just show you all how my mascara look. So here's how my mascara will look. As you can see here, it has false lash effect. So if you have small lashes, no worries. This lash mascara is gonna give you a full volume of lifting of your lashes, and also it's gonna thicken it to pretty much give you that full volume effect on your natural lashes without normally have to use that harsh glue. I know some females don't like to use glue because it's irritation to the eye. It may get in the eye, cause like a lot of waterness, dryness, and irritation to the eye. So if you are natural and you're looking for a mascara that could pretty much give you that lengthy effect, like you do have some falsies on, this mascara is perfect. Like I said, I test out all my products, and I'm not gonna put out anything that's not going to represent what it's supposed to do. So as you can see here, here's my new mascara. And this is now open, and it comes in one standard color, which is black. As you can see here, this is how the mascara will look. Good product, it's black. As you can see here, no issues. You won't have no issue with clumping. It will grasp the lash itself and pretty much provide you with that full thickening effect. But that is how my mascara brushes look. Well, my mascara packaging look itself. And pretty much that's how it will look if you order our mascara. And it will come exactly like this. So you guys pretty much just seen the full look of my unboxing for my eyeshadow palettes. I'm going to pretty much probably go live and show this as well. But if not, then you guys pretty much see it up close here on YouTube. Don't forget, if you guys want me to do more small business unpackaging on my cosmetic line, definitely give me some thumbs up. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on my videos. I would greatly appreciate all the support. And I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.